Managing SEO manually usually involves jumping between keyword spreadsheets, analytics dashboards, and various content drafts. It's a repetitive cycle that forces you to constantly juggle different browsers just to complete basic tasks. Look at the Google AI Studio interface. We are going to use 3 specific updates to replace those manual steps with a managed pipeline, starting right here in the prompt library. Over the next few minutes, we'll build custom web apps for lead generation, synchronize our native code repositories, and set up background agents that execute tasks 24/7. This diagram shows the final state. By moving from a standard chat interface to a passive background pipeline, you ensure content is generated continuously without needing your constant attention. We start in the System Instructions box. To make this an effective lead assistant, we give the AI strict rules for email collection, requiring it to capture a visitor's name and address before moving forward. We verify the logic in the pre-read chat panel. When a test visitor provides their information, we can see the assistant has correctly processed the lead. Now, look at the Share menu in the top right. Selecting the Create Web App option allows us to convert this prompt into a standalone application that others can use. In the deployment settings, delete the default random string in the URL field and type in your specific brand name instead. Once that green checkmark confirms your permanent link is available, you can publish the app. This creates a persistent asset that you can embed directly on your main site to build trust with visitors. Inside the Integrations menu, we connect a GitHub account. This links your external code repositories directly into AI Studio, so you don't have to manually download and re-upload project files. Browse through your synced repositories, select your SEO project folder, and click Import Entire Project. Look at the left panel. The original file hierarchy is perfectly intact. Your assets and components are ready to run in the cloud. Because this code remains editable and synced, AI Studio transforms into a fully integrated development workspace. A major limitation of local scripts is that they stop working the moment you close your browser tab, which can cause long tasks to fail halfway through. To fix this, go into the agent settings and switch the Run in Background toggle to On. This tells the system to use managed cloud processing instead of your local browser. Next, scroll to the Available Tools section and select Add Remote MCP Connections. This allows your agent to safely access data from your third-party SEO analytics software. This side-by-side comparison shows the difference. While the local script on the left has disconnected, the managed environment on the right continues scraping data without interruption. Because managed agents automatically refresh credentials, you can confidently deploy long-running tasks, knowing they won't fail. In the prompt workspace, we ask the AI to translate our scraped SEO data into 4 formats: a YouTube script, a LinkedIn post, an X thread, and a newsletter section. To ensure a professional result, we also instruct the AI to maintain a consistent brand tone across all 4 platforms simultaneously. The system generates a structured content block, with each section already formatted for its specific destination. Look at the copy icon at the bottom. Clicking this allows you to extract all the generated content at once. From here, you simply paste the text into your external publishing tools. A single orchestrated prompt now handles the research, copywriting, and formatting that used to take hours of manual work. By linking these updates, we've replaced several disconnected manual steps with a unified pipeline that handles lead collection and content formatting autonomously. This graphic summarizes the 3 pillars we've connected: native code integration, background task processing, and a live user-facing application. Use the link below to open Google AI Studio and start building your first background agent today. And be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on constructing advanced AI workflows for your business.